Hi guys, this is Tina. Welcome back to my channel. We are here for another one of our Christmas countdowns in our advent calendar series, and today's offering in my Etsy shop, I actually have two of these, are my bound paper pads. So these ones, so they contain 20 pages each one of them, and basically they've been thermal bound by me in these little kind of pouch things, and what you've got is a variety of pages that I just thought you could have super fun with making lots of projects. So they've all been printed on beautiful quality paper. I mean, it's slightly thicker than regular paper. I think this is 200 GSM of that super smooth presentation paper that I really like to use. So it's really nice quality paper and prints. So what you've got they're both identical, so I'm just going to show you one, and obviously the other one's the same. So you've got a variety of my collage background pages, and hopefully you've got sort of a good amount there to create a really nice range of different projects. You've got some bright ones, some vibrant colourful ones, some more muted ones. I love these ones. So yeah, hopefully you've got kind of a good variety to be able to make various different things. So that's the collage pages. Then what I've done is included a couple of my ads pages there as well, so you've got some bits to top things with. I've included some of my grungy number extras as well, so again, lots of bits to have fun with. Some of my little tickets there, and then some of these gorgeous vintage florals, postcard images, and then also some of my little group photograph images as well. So hopefully you've just got a really nice array of things to be able to kind of make some little pockets and tags and what have you for your journals. Now I just must mention, when you're tearing these out, and I've said this before, you're going to have to kind of really fold them open to break the spine. If you try and just tear them out like this, you may damage your pages. I mean, it probably doesn't matter where you've got a white edge, but for instance these, you're going to end up tearing the page. So break the spine by folding it right open, and then they should pull out really quite easily. So yeah, that's my listing for today. As I say, there's two of these, and they will both be in my shop at 2 p.m. today, which is 2 p.m. GMT, which is 9 a.m. Standard Eastern Time, or Eastern Standard Time. That's the time that they will be listed in my Etsy. So I hope that you like them, and yeah, thank you so much for joining me, and hopefully you will join me tomorrow for tomorrow's countdown to Christmas in our advent calendar series. And yeah, have a great day everybody. Happy 15th of December. So thank you so much, and stay safe everyone. Bye.